Step 1. Banned on Monkey? Stay calm, you can appeal and explain. Step 2. Read the ban notice carefully to identify the stated reason. Step 3. Screenshot the ban message and any related chat for evidence. Step 4. Review Monkey's community guidelines to confirm the specific rule. Step 5. Gather timestamps, usernames, device details, and supporting context. Step 6. Draft a short, factual explanation describing what happened and why. Open the app, go to Settings, select Support, then choose Appeal a ban. Attach your screenshots, paste your explanation, and include account details. Here's an example. Attach images and paste a concise appeal message. Use a polite tone, accept responsibility when appropriate, and stay concise. Wait patiently for a reply. Multiple tickets can slow review time. If rejected, ask for clarification, fix issues, and submit one respectful follow-up.